Hello, I am Tatiana. I'm 24 years old. I am a mother. I'm a working mother, which means I have no time for myself except for the little one. I mean, ever since the birth of my child, ever since I stopped breastfeeding, things just doesn't look as good as they did before. So I decided to have cosmetic surgery done. I talked to, a lot of my friends. A lot of the people, were excited about it. And then my friend, she decided to go along with me and get surgery done.
Hello, my name is Michelle. I'm 30 years old and I'm a mother of 2 children. Obviously, after having 2 kids, breastfeeding, pumping, my body is just not quite the same as it used to be. I've contemplated for many, many years having surgery to enhance my body, to make myself feel better about myself. I never thought in a million years that I would even imagine myself doing so. I started to go back to the gym. I got a personal trainer. As much as I worked out, even 3 or 4 times a week, try to get my butt back in shape, my stomach, obviously trying to, lose the weight as well, all the baby fat, it still didn't seem to do much. Then I had my friend do some research, and she came across a site called Cosmetic Surgery. She spoke with the doctor, she spoke with the owner, she had a lot of questions as well as I did. They were so willing and so helpful as far as to give us the information that we needed to put our mind at ease. I mean, everything as far as from booking the flight, booking the hotel, booking the surgeries together. It's amazing that we're able to do this experience together.
So I left Fort Lauderdale in June and I arrived in Colombia. I was picked up by a patient coordinator.
They have a big sign with your name and all excited to receive you. As soon as I found them, they made me feel right at home and put me at ease. They picked us up, of course, and took us to a nice little restaurant to eat. The hotel that we stayed at, it was gorgeous. The rooms there are fantastic. Beautiful, beautiful. Never would have expected it, but very, very pleased.
The next morning, I went straight for all my medical appointments, all the blood work that was necessary prior to surgery. I met with the surgeon that same day, also the anesthesiologist. The first consultation I had with Dr. Chavez was to discuss the size I wanted to go with. He gave me a lot of advice. Even when I was in Colombia, my parents, my brothers, my boyfriend, they were still very concerned with me being all the way in Colombia to get surgery. And and I just kept on telling them how very safe I felt.
I met with the doctor, very helpful. I mean, we talked about all the different concerns that I had, things that were going to take place, what I should do, what I shouldn't do, and we kind of finalized those details there. And then just kind of got me ready and had me all set to go.
I had surgery on my 3rd day in Colombia, 7 o'clock in the morning. I wasn't nervous at all. I guess I was just very excited. I just wanted the day to be over with. The next day, as I heard from everybody that went under surgery, it's tough the first couple of days.
So we got back to the hotel. That same day, of course, I was quite in a bit of pain. So, his wife, John's wife, stayed with me throughout that entire day. Pretty much took care of me. Anything I needed, she cooked for me. She fed me. She washed my face. I mean, anything that you can think of, dressed me. After 3 days, at that point we had to go back to the doctor to get checked out, see how everything was progressing, make sure that everything was healing properly, check the drainage and things of that nature. And so we did that. We talked to the doctor. If we had any concerns at that point, we expressed those to him. Then after that particular, I think almost the second to last doctor visit, we decided that day to go sightseeing. I was feeling up to it, feeling a little bit better, and this was just really after 5 or 6 days. I was I was feeling pretty good. I'm very, very thrilled with my results. I think everything turned out perfectly, more than what I had expected. I have lovely 34C breast. I'm
very, very happy with for going there. The money I spent there, the type of treatment I received, I couldn't afford here in America, and over there I was able to.
So I highly recommend it. Cosmetic Surgery is an excellent, excellent company. They take 100% care of you from beginning to the end. So thank you, Cosmetic Surgery. I really, really thank you so much from the bottom of my heart.